Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a natural mosquito repellent. In this I'm just going to recycle this bottle, about 4 ounces. This is 4.5 ounces, about a bottle this size. And then you want to have the bottle filled with water. And then I got this at Walmart, tea tree oil, about a teaspoon. Can add just a few more drops to this. Carefully pour that right in there. Just like this. Shake it up. You can spray it on your body or spray it on your clothing if you choose. You know, on the near your ankles and stuff like that. So there you have it. It is about 24 drops or a teaspoon of tea tree oil to about 4 ounces, 4.5 ounces of water. I'm telling you, at least for me, this does work.